Hello, kids! Excited about the community painting competition?
Yes, Bob! I made my mama buy me a new set of paintbrushes. I so want to use them! You know, I think I'll paint a vase full of flowers. I want to try my hand at drawing a canary.
A rainbow! That's what I'm going to paint.
Oh, well, I've been practicing at home. I got Spud, my doggy, to pose for me. Take a look.
Oh!
Ooh! That is so awesome! I'm sure you'll win the competition.
Yeah.
Yep. Ah!
What's wrong, Polly?
Oh no! I left my paint kit and brushes at home.
Oh, can't you call your mom and tell her to drop it here?
She's at work. So is Dad. Oh, what do I do now? I won't be able to take part in the competition.
If you want to show you care, is there something you can share? For your friend is in need, and help you can, indeed.
Polly, here. You can use my brushes. I won't use all of them all the time. Oh, but they're brand new. And they're perfect for you and me.
Yeah, and if you sit next to me, you can use my paint box. And Jill and I can use her crayons. So here, you can use mine.
Oh, yes, totally. Oh, wow, you guys. Are you sure?
Of course!
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, you guys are the best. You will ace the contest. 'Cause you know how to share.
Yeah.
'Cause you do really care. Congratulations, Polly! That's wonderful!
She also won a gift card from the new toy store. Way to go, Polly!
Polly, now you can buy that doll you always wanted. No, Mary, I won't be buying the doll. Oh, but why? Because I'm going to buy a board game for 6 players.
What? Wow, really?
Yeah! If you all hadn't shared your paints and crayons and brushes, I wouldn't have won. So now, I want to get something for all of us and share my prize.
Aww. To my friends, thanks a ton. You make sharing so much fun. Give a little, get a lot. What a lovely, lovely thought.
Come on, let's get to the store before it closes.
Yeah!
Remember, my friends, when you give a little, you do get a lot in return. So enjoy sharing your toys and your treats with your friends. And don't be surprised when they share with you. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon!
This is so much fun! I just love sleepovers.
Please thank your folks for letting us have the sleepover in your house.
Thank you, Bob, for offering to look after us while they're away. Hey, our show is on!
What? Oh, no! We'll miss the show!
Oh, my tablet isn't charged. We can't watch anything till the power comes back. Oh, no! Now what will we do?
How about we tell each other stories?
Ooh, Woohoo! That sounds great! I know the story of Little Red Riding Hood. But we already know that story.
How about Rapunzel?
Heard that too.
How about stories you have never heard before?
But how do we know stories we've never heard before?
Ah, I remember your mother putting these books away in this cupboard. Here are many stories you have never heard before. You have been neglecting your BFFs.
BFFs?
Book friend forever. A book is great. It is your best mate. You learn a bit when you sit in a nook with a book. A lovely story it can tell. It can hold you in a spell. You will feel so good if you sat or stood in a nook with a book.
Oh, this is such an awesome story! It's about a dragon that dances. Mine is about a boy in a jungle.
My book is about a school of magic. Wow!
The jackal in my book is so clever. I'm learning new things.
My book is so funny. It's about an adorable naughty dog.
The books will never leave you. So much they can teach you. Open your mind. A new world you'll find in a nook with a book. Yay! Ah, the power is back on. Shall we go back to our TV show? Kids?
Oh, come on, Bob. Do you really want to watch TV? Why don't you pick up a good book?
Yeah, Bob, this is so much more fun.
It's so wonderful. I'll have so many new stories to tell now. Shh. I want to read.
Are you all ready to find a BFF? A book friend forever? They are just amazing because you can have fun while learning new things and also improve your language. So find a nook and sit with a book, but make sure you have enough light to protect your eyes. Go on, give it a try. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon.
Jack isn't coming, Bob. He's still stuck to the game on his tablet.
It's been a week since he has come out to play with us. Let's go get him.
Yeah!
Sorry, guys, for not coming to play, but I can't leave in the middle of this game. You all go ahead without me.
Bob, we need to get Jack out of the house. Do something.
Jack doesn't know what he is missing. So let's make a game better than the one he is playing.
Oh!
What you want is there with me, but to move ahead, reach the top of the tree.
Aha!
The next clue is in the book. The title, maybe. Take a look.
That's it! I have to go on top of the hill!
Look into the box and find the odd one out. Where it will take you, you will soon find out.
Aha! It's in the playground!
Race you there!
Whoa!
Uh-oh. Are you okay, Jack?
Thanks for joining us, Jack. Here is your tablet. But we were wondering if you would like to play.
Yes, I would. I realize now how important it is to be active. I'm sorry I wasn't playing with you all. But hey, let's play!
Hi, kids. It's important to go out and play. It keeps you active, and you get to meet your friends. Plus, it's loads of fun, isn't it?